Good morning, students. Let's take a look at the chapter number 2, that is Introduction to Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language designed by James Gosling for Sun Microsystems. Object-oriented programming, we have already read this concept in the previous chapter. OOP is a technique which is used to represent the real-world entities in the form of an objects. Java programs are platform independent, can run on various platforms including Windows, Linux, iOS and Android. प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट मीन्स किसी भी तरह का प्लेटफॉर्म हो, किसी भी तरह का ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हमारे डिवाइस पे चल रहा हो, हर एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे हमारे जावा प्रोग्राम्स चल सकते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनी स्पेसिफिक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. Java requires compiler to convert the source code into the bytecode and interpreter to convert the bytecode into the machine code. It means Java जो programs हैं, Java के जो programs हैं, which is created by you, that is a source code. The programs which are created by you, that is a source code. उस source code को Java compiler byte code में convert करता है. Compiler जो है source code को byte code में convert करता है. लेटर ऑन इंटरप्रेटर जो है उस बाइट कोड को मशीन कोड में कन्वर्ट करता है. तो इट रिक्वायर्स जावा एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जिसे कंपाइलर की भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है और इंटरप्रेटर की भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. ये दोनों ट्रांसलेटर्स हैं. टू क्रिएट एंड एग्जीक्यूट जावा प्रोग्राम्स it requires some basic tools like compiler, interpreter, libraries. These tools are jointly called the development tools. यानी जावा प्रोग्राम को बनाने के लिए कंपाइलर, इंटरप्रेटर, लाइब्रेरीज, इन सब टूल्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. और ये सब जो कंबाइंडली ये जितने भी टूल्स हैं इन सबको डेवलपमेंट टूल्स कहा जाता है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ जावा. JVM, Java Virtual Machine, JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment, Java API is a Java Application Programming Interface, and JDK, that is Java Development Kit. Now, JVM. JVM is an interpreter. Earlier we have read that the source code is converted into the bytecode by the compiler, and this bytecode is converted into the machine code by the interpreter. It means the another name of interpreter, that is a JVM. JVM, that is a Java Virtual Machine. It is abstract machine. It means it is abstract in nature. It converts the bytecode into the machine code and also provides the runtime environment in which the Java programs can be executed. JVMs are available for many hardware and software platforms. That is, JVM is platform dependent. It means we can't use the JVM design for Windows operating system based system, and on Linux and iOS based systems we have to use compatible version of JVM. It means जो JVM हमने particular एक Windows operating system के लिए बनाया गया है, the same JVM cannot be used on another platform which is using the Linux operating system or iOS. Okay, it means हर एक version, हर एक platform के लिए अलग अलग JVM के version use किए जाते हैं. GRE. GRE is the Java Runtime Environment. It is a set of software tools for the development of Java application. It contains JVM, Java Virtual Machine, platform core classes and supporting libraries Java API. It means GRE basically JVM और library set. Libraries की set को GRE कहते हैं. GREs basically exist. It physically exists. The library set are required by the JVM for the code execution is known as the implementation of JVM. Java API, that is Java Application Programming Interface, is a list of all the classes. It includes all Java packages, classes and interfaces along with their methods, fields and constructors. These pre-written classes provide a tremendous amount of functionality to a programmer. ये जो classes हैं, inbuilt classes हैं, constructors हैं, fields हैं, methods हैं, packages हैं, ये सब inbuilt हैं, already ही predefined है. It means user जब program बनाता है, program create करता है, तो user को इन classes, packages और functions को invoke करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. तो then it makes more easier for the programmer to create a program. JDK, that is a Java Development Kit. The JDK is a software package that contains a variety of tools and utilities that make it possible to develop package, monitor, and deploy applications of Java. It contains JRE along with the development tools like Java C, that is a compiler, Java DOC, that is a document and debugger, etc. Now JDK is अपने आप में एक पूरा एक complete development kit है जिसके अंदर JRE और जावा डेवलपमेंट टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं. डेवलपमेंट टूल्स आप लोगों को पता है कि जावा सी and Java documents and debuggers, and these are the development tools which are used to create the Java programs. Or JRE, that is a Java runtime environment which further contains the JVM and application programming interfaces like Java libraries हैं. इनके थ्रू इन सभी टूल्स और environment के थ्रू एक Java program को create किया जाता है. All these tools combinedly called the Java development kit. The source code written by the user is saved with an extension of .java. When the user creates a program, that program saves with an extension of .java. After compilation, when the compiler works on this source code, the extension of that program is converted into the .class. यानी जब यूज़र प्रोग्राम बनाता है और वो प्रोग्राम सेव होता है उसकी एक्सटेंशन .java होती है. और जब उस प्रोग्राम पे जावा का कंपाइलर काम करता है और वो सोर्स कोड बाइट कोड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, उस प्रोग्राम की एक्सटेंशन .class में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. देन दिस बाइट कोड विल बी यूज्ड बाय द इंटरप्रेटर टू एग्जीक्यूट इट आफ्टर कन्वर्टिंग इट टू द मशीन कोड. Difference between the ordinary compilation and Java compilation. In ordinary compilation, the compiler directly converts the source code into the machine code, while in case of Java, it generates the intermediate code, that is a bytecode, which further need processing to convert into the machine code. This is one of the most important question. एक ordinary compilation में compiler directly source code को machine code में बदल देता है, while in case of Java compiler, it converts, it doesn't generate the machine code directly. It converts the source code into the bytecode, and this bytecode which further needs the processing to convert into the machine code. Thank you.